Beamex is all about calibration, so providing accurate measurement instruments and software and services to the process industry. We've done that for 40 years, and this is what we do still today. Our business has always been global. So in the beginning it was all about having hardware, measurement instruments, calibrators. And in the mid-80s we started adding software as an accessory to that hardware. And then in the 90s it became more of a management software solution. And now today we're moving into the cloud. So always been a forerunner in providing technology to the customers. As a technology is important, and having the right partners is important. So our business is global. We're selling to more than 100 countries, to big Fortune 500 process industries and also to smaller. So we need to have a partner and technology that can provide that type of support. We have been a Microsoft partner for a long time. We were one of the first companies using .NET technology in Finland. And so looking at what Microsoft could help us to provide to support this global market, global industry, being there, being accessible, having a scalable technology, and also provide that same trust. From that point of view, selecting Microsoft Azure as a platform was a very logical choice. Future is exciting. As the sandbox is getting bigger, we have ability to provide our solution to a much larger audience utilizing cloud solutions. So from our point of view, it's an interesting world out there.